aggressive हुए बिना भी, I think all the songs of last season, first season, this whole show has had really, and previously season 1 had my buddy Yash Narvekar compose a song Tap On, Lauटे Nahi. Rana Majumdar did one with Shreya Ghoshal. The second, the third also has us. I think
your audio is cracking a bit, Amal.
Now is it okay?
हाँ, अभी तो आ जा रही थी, but you have to just say a sentence so that I can gauge it.
अभी क्या लग रहा है ऑडियो का?
ठीक है, very musical.
So I think the whole season, the third season specifically has a more intense love story compared to the others. So यानी मेरे पास ये गाना आया था, they wanted me to do the quintessential My Vibe and Heartbreak and deep meaning song. कहीं ना कहीं I was not in that zone. I'd just done Tu Mera Nahi, and I wanted to get away from that and do. Obviously today that kind of music is very big. Even My Chale Aana and all these Judai type songs and intense songs really work. But today there are too many of them, so I was feeling ki why not change that up a bit and do something which makes people smile today and want to fall in love. And this is that kind of song, It's a feeling of, moving on, maybe with the same person in a new way, or finding new love again after a terrible relationship and a fight or something. So it speaks about finding a new love, hopeful of finding a new love, seeing someone again who you loved some time back in a new light. It's those sweet things, nostalgic love, a feeling of wow, it's happening to me for the first time, but it's magical also. So all those things were what I had in mind, and I was on the 35th floor of a hotel in Dubai when 20 days back, where I got this brief from Priyanka, my director, Neeraj, who's the EP of Kabir Singh, who now is the producer of Broken a lot. And he's very musical. So I opened the window, and that's when the line came to me, Kholi hai khidki maine is nasuk se dil ki. And the rest of it, Virag sir is beautifully written. And Arman and Palak, I think, and the music producer, Web of Bullet, my engineer, all of us have done our best. Worked for 20 days. The song was ready in 2 nights. Lyrically, changes hote rahe. But the environment, the guitars, the whole surrounding bed of music that I wanted to create took about 20 days. And we gave it our best. Now seeing the madness and the love, it's beautiful.
Now tell me something. Rockstar to देखी होगी आपने, obviously film industry and one of the watershed events. Rockstar का वो dialogue नहीं है, प्यार में दिल टूटा है, दिल टूटने पे music निकलता है, संगीत निकलता है. I mean, where is this love ballads and songs of love and loss and some things that become anthems? ये inspiration आ कहाँ से रही है अमाल की जिंदगी में? I mean, do you often get this question that who is it who inspires you to create the kind of music that you do?
I think musically the inspirations have been many. Previously, I've grown up luckily in an environment of great musicians. My grandfather was my first. Then Madan Mohan Saab, Hetty Burman, Lakshmikant Pyarlal, R.D. Burman, Akhtar Jaikishan. All these great musicians I got to hear about because I was in this family. So Indian music, मैंने proper classical training नहीं ली, but बहुत ही अच्छा Indian music सुनने मिला when I was a kid. And I was listening to English music through my friends and all those things. Then I grew up, I started loving Rahman sir, Pritam. So musically it's been different people. Even the people I've worked with have inspired me. Salim Sulaiman, they've been my gurus of background scoring there, and I've been their assistant. Then I listened to Hans Zimmer, John Mayer, James Horner, all these musical influences there. But when it comes to lyrics and experiences and personal life and all those things, I believe in taking everything, feeling everything in life. I don't like to hide that, if I'm down I should feel, no, let's keep a different vibe. And so I let everything make me feel a certain way, and I believe that everyone should let these feelings come about. If you're feeling let down, maybe sometimes a friendship didn't work out, maybe a relationship didn't work out, some of your friends have troubles in their lives, and every emotion you should be open-hearted to. You should not be like, oh, I don't want pain, oh, I don't want love. I understand it happens when you go through a transition where you find pain, then you're immediately, I don't want love. Then when you find love, then you're like, I don't want pain. I think it's all part of that system which makes you. So I keep my experiences help me find those things. I don't force to think, it actually brings me to a time, oh, I felt this at that point of time. This character also feels this. It just has to head in that way. So I find a lot of my poetry coming from here. Like, Kaun Tujhe Yu Pyar Karega. Like, I have a ear for the right things. When Manoj Bishir said that line, I stopped and I said, this is it. Ye chupa lo. Because this is what every person, maybe a father, a mother, brother, sister, a relationship, anyone, when you have a fight, they're like, आजा देख ले, देखते हुए कौन तेरे नखरे देखता है या कौन तुझे मेरे से ज़्यादा प्यार करे है, मम्मी भी बोलती है. So it's got a universal thought. So I try to keep my eyes and ears open for those kind of things, and I feel free. I don't try to restrict. I feel pain completely inside, and so I grow from it. I don't avoid. And when I feel like, oh, I'm having a great time, I have a great time. So I don't.
आपने सरदार मलिक साहब की भी बात की थी. I mean, if we talk about the Malik tag, you are the one person, along with your brother, of course, who have not really found the Malik tag limiting. You've been independent of it, And one thing very interesting that I found is that you like to spell your surname with a double L, and Arman does it with a single L. So that is also independence altogether, individuality. इसके पीछे क्या कारण है?
बचपन में मेरा पता नहीं, किसी एक छोटी सी, पहले मेरे ट्विटर पे 4-5 फैंस थे सिर्फ, like I had 5 followers, but 5 really sweet kids, and one's mom was into astrology and I never believed in it. But my time wasn't also good. My films, like I did one film, Jai Ho, and the Malik tag added more than, the pressure than helping me and Arman out. It created more of roadblocks. So we decided that we need to be not Annu Malik, Dabu Malik, we need to be Amal and Arman. So that was a difficult task. Then when I did Jai Ho, the music didn't get appreciated, and people compared me to my uncle and my dad, saying, can't make music like them, not a chip of the old block. For a 23-year-old, that was a little harsh, to handle. So I was demoralized, and somewhere I felt, why am I doing music? And these things used to happen to me. So I was not sure if I would continue. I started studying M.Com and all those things. So कहीं ना कहीं से एक छोटी बच्ची की मम्मी ने बोला कि just add one A and one L, it will resonate better with you. I was like, Amal, Malik, ये क्या है? तो सब मजाक उड़ाएंगे, अमाल का माल जो अभी होता ही है. But it was funny because I look out for signs and energies in my life. I'm very spiritual like that. I don't believe in anything except a vibe, with people.
Yeah.
But there is if I'm sitting with someone and there's great energy exchange, I'm like, wow, this will for sure be a long friendship, partnership. So I was like, okay, okay, let's try. Before I tried, I started getting checks, bills, everything in that spell. And for years, my spelling was AMAL, and I was like, why is this happening? This is like a conspiracy. I said, this is the world trying to tell me to change my name. And then from Amal Malik, I became Amal Malik. But it's okay. Both, like, people call me Amal, who know me since childhood. But Amal is Amal for me. बट ऐसा नहीं है बच्चों, जो भी देख रहे हो कि एक ए ऐड कर दिया, एक एल कर दिया और कम्बल पकड़ के सो गए उस टाइम पे. बहुत मेहनत की है. एंड टुडे I'm close to almost 90 songs in my career of 7 years, and it's only because of the hard work my parents did first, and then the support of my family, the blessing of their families, my grandfather, and our hard work of this.
You guys have an entire fan army. I mean, they call themselves Amalians, Armanians, Armalians. ये Arman और Amal दोनों की fan army. You guys are rock stars in that entire music circuit in the truest of the sense, because we haven't really. Do you think right now is the time which is very, very good for performing artists and artists like yourself and people who are going independent?
I think it's the best time. Performances तो बहुत दूर है अभी भी फिलहाल. You know, the shows, but people who are doing independent individual music on their face, it's a great time. If you see, since the lockdown and little before that, Arman, Honey Singh, Badshah, and Philip Darshan Rawal, these four were doing some. Darshan was doing a lot of good songs. I would say in the space that I like the kind of music I like. So obviously everyone has their own space, and luckily independent music, because of the films being pushed ahead and theaters not being there and everything coming on the web, so music albums are not getting those film music albums are not getting that importance anymore. It feels good and bad because I love doing films as well, but it's a great time for individual artists to put their own music and be stars independent of films. We've always had a industry, but we've never had a music industry. We've always been dependent ki if that actor is in my song, then I'll make it. If that film is big and hits a certain number, then my music will also be remembered more. So now it's not that. Now I think listeners just want good music, and you see there's an entire range of independent artists, indie artists, in terms of very real indie music of India. I would say like Pratik Kuhad would be doing some really nice work, or Jasleen. And commercial indie pop would be what Darshan, Arman, Honey Singh, and Badshah, Divine, who's somewhere in between commercial and new age. So there's space for everyone, and I think that's what is important. People are managing to put their own style out, and people are loving them for that. And the audience is up to listen to any kind of genre. Now, because of the lockdown, they're listening to so much English music also. So there are kids who range from Kanye West to Farida Khan. There are people who listen like that. So it's great. We can now experiment a little more, because films mein kahin na kahin we get stuck to eras and situations and the kind of vision the director has, you have to follow. In single on-film music, I could also, make my debut after, it was a dream at 15 to do a music video. I did it at 30. But I also started my journey and did something which I felt was my music, which I could play on screen. So I did something like that, and I'm also doing that mainly because it's a dream tour, and also my fans love to, I think after that video, they are waiting for my next. So I think I'll keep doing non-film stuff equally, give equal importance to that along with my films. And
you spoke about having been inspired from any and everything around and across you. So what I'm going to do, I also think that you are a 90s aficionado. I mean, you like the 90s music a lot.
The first player of the 90s. I'm a 1990 born.
Yeah. So what I'm going to do is let's do some word associations. मैं कुछ words बोलती हूँ जो गाना आपके दिमाग में उससे related आता है. You tell me that. Okay? बारिश.
बारिश 90s का तो कोई नहीं याद आ रहा है.
नहीं, anything, any song that you.
इस दर्द दिल की अब कर दे कोई दिल जाए वो जो भिगा दे पूरी तरह दर्द दिल की सिफारिश अब कर दे कोई वो बारिश जो भिगा दे पूरी तरह.
Wow. Look at the hearts flying.
और आज का बारिश, I really like B Praak's बारिश also. ऐ खुदा तू बोल दे तेरे बादलों को, मेरा यार हंस रहा है बारिश की जाए. ये भी बहुत अच्छा गाना.
Wow. Okay. Second one. Coffee. Since you are on Coffee Time with Riha, Coffee से कौन सा गाना?
Coffee से गाना. I think like that song. It doesn't speak about coffee, but it's for me. Coffee is that.
Yeah.
जाने क्यों दिल जानता है, तू है तो I'll be all right.
Interesting. Okay. शामें
कई ऐसी शामें, and also a very beautiful song by Amit Trivedi, शाम भी कोई जैसे है नदी. Very nice song.
Okay, Asma.
तो आसमानों को और दो जहानों को छोड़ के आया तेरे पास. तब 90s के अगेंस्ट ही चल रहे हैं हम, बट ठीक है.
Okay, okay, just think hard. इसमें तो आ ही जाएगा. खूबसूरत से कोई 90s का ही याद करिए.
बहुत खूबसूरत हो, ऐसा कोई गाना तो था.
संजय दत्त, I know, I remember. उर्मिला मातोंडकर.
Can you add those words? सनम, दिल, जिगर, खूबसूरत, all the 90s words.
Okay, last one. Siddharth Shukla.
सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला को सोच के कोई गाना अगर याद आता, 90s का एक गाना I think which would really suit him, you know, I feel would be राह में उनसे मुलाकात हो गई, राह में उनसे मुलाकात से डरते थे वही बात हो गई. Would really go well with him. I think he would look too cool on such a song.
I really love this song. It's beautiful. You beautifully sung it. So Amal, अब हम क्या करेंगे ना? इससे पहले कि आप अपनी सारी कॉफी खत्म कर दो. There's a little game that I like playing. It's called Sip and Spill. My version of Never Have I Ever. I'll tell you these instances.
Still in the studio.
Sip and spill. Don't spill the beans only. So I will give you these instances. आपकी जिंदगी में ये चीजें हुई हैं. You will take a sip if that has happened in your life, and you will tell me the little story behind it.
Okay.
So let's begin. Take a sip. If you've gone without showering for days just because you were into composing one of your songs.
This to you know about this. That's why.
And how would I know?
4 days.
4 days? अच्छा नहीं, ये मुझे पता नहीं था.
किसी से मिला नहीं, कोई no one passed out with the fragrance, don't worry. But 4 days I was in the studio and then came out ले जा मुझे साथ तेरे, one of my most special songs, so I don't mind it.
Wow, beautiful. Okay, take a sip. If you hardly forget lyrics of the songs, like any song, what do you?
Last year तक तो ठीक था, तो छोटा सिप लूंगा. आजकल थोड़ा भूलने लगा.
भाई live performances होने चाहिए बहुत जल्दी. Once everything is over, the pandemic is over, maybe.
I think that'll be really crazy to be on stage again.
Yeah, I know. Okay, take a sip. If you have flicked clothes of your brother's cabinet and gotten caught.
A big gulp.
मतलब usually छोटे भाई बहन करते हैं ये. I mean, you've done it to Arman.
Arman and me, so see, the thing is, he's the boy who actually shops a lot. Okay, I'm filling up my
अच्छा.
coffee.
हाँ sure.
Hero, survive कर रहा आज. But no, he's the shopaholic kid. And I feel that वो अच्छी चीजें दुनिया में देख के कलेक्ट करके आ जाता है घर पे. And then I'm like, wow, I don't have this, मैं ले लेता हूँ. नहीं था, आजकल थोड़ा जाने लगा था और लॉकडाउन हो गया.
Okay, alright. Take a sip if you've had a physical fight inside your recording studio.
Oh yeah, with Arman only.
Ever?
Yeah, I threw books at him from this side and I forgot there's glass. It hit the glass and fell. Glass टूटा नहीं. चले आना के टाइम हुआ था ये. अच्छे से गा. अच्छा नहीं गा.
Does it happen often? Because obviously siblings, you have no filter, right? Because he's your brother, and I'm sure the other way around. So ये हमेशा होता है?
फिल्म मेकिंग निकलेगा, हम लोग एक कैसे हम गाने बना रहे, तो उसमें आधे बीप्स ही होंगे, आधे सेंसर टू सेंसिटिव कंटेंट, किसी को मार रहे, आँख काली हो रही है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. बट एंड में बहुत उभर के अच्छे से निकलता है. तो नॉट फिजिकल फाइट्स इन द स्टूडियोज, बट यानी आई expect a lot from him because I know he's a very deadly singer. I'm not saying this
Yeah.
because he's my brother, and I know he can do sometimes much more than what he was doing maybe in that song, you know. So that's why I push him
Yeah.
to do his best. Now, when I see him, Chale Aana is 2 years ago, and 3 years ago almost. So from there to now, when you see him sing South songs and Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, Gottaboma, and all these songs, you see his range is tremendous, and now he's doing international music. He's come a long way.
Right.
अभी जो हम लोग ने ये गाना किया क्या किया तूने बहुत स्मूथली किया ऑल्सो बिकॉज आई वाजंट इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम सो या आई कैन से दैट बट मैं दुबई में था बट इट वेंट अराउंड रियली स्मूथ इट वाज अ वेरी गुड तो हम लोग के इतने लड़ाई मैक्सिमम अरमान से ही लड़ाई होती है बाकी सबके साथ वर्बल लड़ाई हो जाती है बाकी सिंगर्स यानी ऐसे नो आई डोंट वांट दिस हैपन बट दैट्स हाउ म्यूजिक इज मेड इवन दे हैव सम सजेशन so that's part of it.
Okay, all right. Fair enough. Take a sip. If you have ever serenaded to a girl, maybe in school or college, with a 90s number, like literally गाना वाना गा के फिल्मी स्टाइल में.
90s का तो खुद का भी कोई गाना आई थिंक नहीं गाया याद नहीं मुझे
अच्छा.
तो मुझे जानते थे एक्चुअली टेल मी टू स्टॉप सिंगिंग एंड हमिंग लाइक बस बाहर आए हम लोग अभी थोड़ा गाना वाना
हाँ, really?
हाँ
School में you were not this talented kid जो अच्छा okay fine this guy can sing and all that time.
मैं I started singing in college in 11th or 12th I think I started singing school में I used to just play the keys Arman used to sing so he was the proper performer I was like the backup keyboard player and you know the one in the shadows and I like to be like that most of my life it's only recently that you know in the industry also I've always been the back office and he's been the front runner you know he's always been doing shows I started doing these things 2-3 years ago then I saw people wanted me to do it आपका लाइव और मेरा लाइव थोड़ा थोड़ा रुक रहा है so when you save it just download the video and keep then we'll edit it nicely and put it बहुत बार रुक चुका है
Yeah, no, so you will have to save it because obviously it's your live. I will not be able
Yeah,
to.
I will-
There's a lot of lag, na?
and save the video and then I'll send it to you and we'll edit it nicely glitches हटा देते हैं
Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. Once I've downloaded it, then probably you can take it out. Okay, all right. Next one. Take a sip, and this is the last one. Take a sip if you remember your first ad jingle that you worked on, very first.
yeah I obviously do what was
Which one was it? Which one was it?
अमूल कसी अमूल मस्ती अमूल 1 लीटर पैक now health is back
Wow, man, that's so cool. Would you? I mean, if given a chance, would you like to work on ad jingles, or do you think now you're done with that phase?
I love to work on anything that needs music and more than like it may sound fun you know to say ki ha I love doing songs but a musician I think every musician loves to put music to picture also you know just any kind of good visual you get inspired that is a more fun job also doing background scores I did Saina's whole score so I was really excited so after that I've been doing a few you know I'm doing a background score of a web series that's coming up now on Hotstar. It's called Shit Yaar and funny and different. So you know, अलग-अलग चीजें मैं करता हूँ and I like to do background scores also because that's how I started. I've done about 100 jingles when I was a kid. I did from the age of 23. I did only jingles and I used to be a background score assistant. I did Rowdy Rathod. I did Son of Sardar, Rambo Rajkumar, then R Rajkumar jo thi Shahid Kapoor. With doing cocktail and like I learned a lot through background scoring from all these music Pratik Kota Amar so that side is always ready to go for it you know songs ke liye main excited to hu obviously that is has brought me so much audience love but I love doing instrumental music I love doing music where you know there's videos involved and some scale and something that I can add by just watching I want to create a world. So वैसा भी I love doing that.
Okay, and before I let you go, it is your life, so I'll not be able to take questions. Anything that you want to say to Amalians and Armalians who are joining this live chat? Song request का तो हमारे पास अभी time नहीं है, but I will obviously not let you go before you sing क्या किया है तूने for all of us. But anything that you want to address all your Amalians, you can.
गाने के थ्रू मैसेज भी दे दूंगा. I'll sing a little mix of a few things.
Yeah, sure.
खोली है खिड़की मैंने इस नाजुक से दिल की, जागे है देखो फिर से. क्या किया है तुमने, क्या किया है तुमने, क्या किया है तुमने मेरे लगा हूँ फिर से, होने लगा हूँ खुद से. क्या किया है तुमने मेरे शायद खत्म या फिर बचा है मैं कहीं पे तुम्हारा इंतजार. तू सामने से ऐसे गुजरा हो लगा है हमको तुमसे ही प्यार. सौदा ये दो दिलों का लगता है ना होगा ये हमसे. क्या किया है तूने, क्या किया है तूने, क्या किया है तूने मेरे कई ऐसी चलो हम चुरा ले कई ऐसी कई ऐसी चलो हम चुरा ले कई ऐसी सानू नींद उड़ जावे चैन छड़ जावे तेरी जद एक पल विच सौवा जावे कि तेरे लिए दुनिया तुझ कुछ भी नहीं है ये जहां, तू है तो है इसमें. अब मुझको जाना है तू ही सब तेरे सपने ढूंढते फिर कभी तुझसे मिलता रहूं मैं, मिलती रहे तुझसे हम मिलेंगे फिर कभी कुछ दूर चल रास्ते में उसका घर रहती है दिल में कैसे बताऊं मैं तो नहीं कहता कोई बता दे तेरी और है रुके ना रुके
Wow, wow. Okay, there was slight bit of audio problem, but I could hear most of your music. और लोग राजेश को मारने की बातें कर रहे हैं, but I'm sure I would be able to, extract something or the other. But this was lovely, lovely. All the songs that you love, Amal, a lovely medley live. This has been brilliant. Thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you, really means a lot.
Thank you so much. And
वाईफाई कनेक्शन के साथ साथ वाईफाई वाले को भी बदल दूंगा और शायद घर भी बदलना पड़े अब तो, क्योंकि इधर इतने सालों से कनेक्शन ऐसा ही है. But as long as we are all connected, and I just want to tell all my listeners that I am here, and शायद 16th जून मेरा जो बर्थडे है उसके आसपास मैं शायद सोशल मीडिया से हट जाऊँ थोड़े टाइम के लिए, but I need that. Please don't worry, it's all good. अरमान कहीं ना कहीं स्लाइली मेरी कोई स्टोरी डाल देगा, मैं जानता हूँ. तो but I need a break now because I'm just a little like I had a great holiday, but I was working in Dubai also on the next 3 songs that are coming. तो थोड़ा सा एक ब्रेक होगा, बट टिल द 16th of June तो मैं यहीं पे हूँ. उसके बाद थोड़ा सा मिसिंग एंड देन आई विल बी बैक.
You enjoy your birthday month. Advance में आपको बहुत 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 happy birthday and keep doing the great work that you're doing. Keep shining, Amal. Thank you so much for this.
Thank you so much, dear.
Take care.
I'll send this to you.
Yeah, thank you.
See you.